What's good, everyone? Today I'm going to explain color theory in simple terms so you can understand how colors work together and how it can be super useful when you're creating digital art or any kind of art in general, really. Let's start with the basics. What is color? Simply put, color is a visual sensation which comes from the way that light interacts with objects. When light shines on an object, it reflects some wavelengths of light, but it reflects others. And the colors we see are the wavelengths that are reflected back into our eyes. Now let's have a look at the three primary colors. These colors are called primary colors because they cannot be created by mixing any other colors together. However, by mixing two of these primary colors together, we do get secondary colors. We can get purple from blue and red, green from blue and yellow, and orange from red and yellow. But wait, that's not it. There are also tertiary colors. Tertiary colors are created by mixing a primary color with a secondary color. I'll give you an example. Mixing red, a primary color, with purple, a secondary color, will give you a tertiary color, a reddy purple. Now that we've covered the basics of color mixing, let's talk about color schemes. A color scheme is a set of colors that are going to work well together in a design or artwork. I'll give you an example. The most basic color scheme is monochromatic. Monochromatic uses shades and tints of a single color. Another popular color scheme is complementary colors. Complementary colors are actually opposite each other on the color wheel. As an example, red and green, blue and orange, or yellow and purple. Using complementary colors in a design can create strong contrast and really help certain elements stand out as well. Another very popular color scheme is analogous. This color scheme uses colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. For example, yellow, yellow-green, and green. This color scheme is used to create a harmonious and cohesive look, feel, and aesthetic. Next up, let's talk about color temperature. Colors can be warm or cool depending on their position on the color wheel. Warm colors such as red, orange, and yellow can work together to create a sense of energy and excitement. Cool colors such as blue, green, and purple can work together to create a cool or calming effect. And that's the basics of color theory. Sounds simple, I know, but using this in the real world is a whole other thing. As always, learning doesn't stop. Please get out there and learn more about this. It will help you become a better artist. But by understanding colors better and how they work together within your designs, you can create some visually stunning projects that will really blow people away. I hope you found this video useful. As always, a like and subscribe will really help me bring you these videos each and every week. So until the next video, I'll catch you next time.